Hello everyone. So real quick, I'm going to show everything I've done for this past week. I'm going to start off. I'm going to show the changes I made to the push ability and the grenade ability. Um, so the grenade now is a projectile, a normal projectile, and it sticks to an enemy so, and it has a 1 second timer and it explodes. And then the push ability just expands and then disappears as soon as it fully reaches its fully I guess its max distance for the expansion. So yeah, and then the next thing I worked on was the new ability, the slime push pulse, which is kind of like an upgraded version of the normal push. And then I tweaked the orbit ability. So I'll show that real quick. So here's the push pulse now. So it's not as big, but it does have three like little charges where it fully expands and then closes. And then here's the new orbit. It's the same thing, but now in here you can here you can add how many balls you want to orbit. So I guess I'll put 6, and now there should be 6. Yep, and it still collides with the wall. So yeah. And then I tried getting the dividing slash to work with kind of the same way as the orbit, where it can spawn multiple slashes. But I think it's right here. But if you have it at the count 1 and 0, that's how it was before, where wherever you look at, if you click, puddles will lunge forward. But let's say if I wanted to have 2 slashes, like a 45-degree angle spread, then when he tries to lunge forward, he only goes one direction, which I know why it does that, but I'm not really sure how to fix it. So I did not want to mess with it. I tried for a long time and I could not figure it out. So that's what I've added so far. So on Visual Studio, I'm gonna go through the push first. Nothing in here really changed for that. The grenade, I'll just kind of scroll through that slowly. Basically, it just when it sticks to an enemy and has like a little explosion countdown and blows up after 1 second, which is up here, and you can change the radius for that too. And then the push pulse, you can change the cycle. It's just a coroutine. It just grows, and once it reaches the max growth, it shrinks, and then it grows and shrinks. And then that's pretty much the same otherwise than the normal push. And then for the orbit, nothing in here changed, but the behavior changed. Now it is very similar to how the shotgun works, but it's the full 360 degrees instead of it being like, I'm not even sure what the other thing is, like, I don't know what the angle is for the shotgun, but so now it covers the entire thing. And I tried doing that with a dividing slash. And the problem with this is it works perfectly fine, but when the first slash is created, and then the coroutine starts and it gets pushed towards that first slash prefab, so it like goes like to the side. So yeah, that does not work. But it took me a little while to do that and mess around with it, and it ended up not working at all. So, and I think that's everything. So thank you for watching.